Watch the edge. Make sure it's secure.
Almost there. We need to hurry.
All right, bring her down easy now. Hold it right there. Let's set it down.
Time lapse. The water level between the cofferdams drops rapidly. The muddy riverbed is revealed for the first time in history.
Mark this fault line clearly. The rigs are starting up. Increase the rotation speed now.
Grouting process. Machines pump high-pressure cement grout into the drill holes to seal deep cracks in the earth, ensuring the dam won't leak from underneath.
Pull the lever. Concrete flowing. Get the buzzers ready. Go, go, go.
hold it steady. Watch your hands.
All right, bring it down 5 more inches. Start vibrating the pour on this side.
The dam has reached 50 meters. The sheer volume of concrete is evident. The upstream face is vertical. The downstream face slopes gently.
Lower it slowly, watch the alignment on the far side. Looks good here, a bit more to the left. Slow down the pour. Roger that. Watch the vibrator.
Precision placement. Engineers use laser levels to align the spiral case within millimeters before it is welded to the penstock.
Concrete encasement. The spiral case is buried in concrete, leaving only the central hole open for the turbine.
All right, keep it steady. We're engaging the bolts now.
Looks aligned. Hit it.
Turbine pit preparation. The pit liner is installed, a perfectly circular steel wall that will house the generator.
Lowering the stator. The ring is slowly lowered into the generator pit. The clearance is only a few centimeters on each side.
Okay, bring it down 5 degrees. Got it. Alignment confirmed. Torquing sequence initiated.
Yarlung runner arrives. The actual water wheel, a Francis turbine runner, a single piece of stainless steel weighing 400 tons, is trucked in.
Low of the runner. Lowering the rower to lower rower. Engage the wrench now. Pressure steady at 5,000. All right, moving to the next one.
Rotor aligned. Lowering sequence complete.
Perfect fit confirmed. Character A. Well done.
Slow descent. We are approaching the housing. Keep it steady.
Main dam progress. The dam is now near its full height of 200 meters. The top crest is being leveled off. Lower the chute slowly. We're almost full on this side.
Installation of radial gates. Massive steel arms are attached to the spillway pivots. These curved gates will hold back the top of the reservoir.
Stringing the lines. Drones fly pilot ropes between the towers, pulling the heavy high-voltage cables across the mountains.
Pressure testing. Sensors inside the dam galleries show the stress on the concrete as millions of tons of water push against it. The structure holds. Water reaches the intake gates. The water level is now high enough to enter the penstocks. Debris screens are lowered to protect the turbines.
Yes! We did it!
We did it! Grid synchronization achieved.
We need more saplings over here.
Bringing the next batch up. We have significant spalling right here by the joint.
Okay, let me zoom in on that section.
Spring melt. The reservoir level is high. The dam manages the floodwaters, releasing a controlled flow downstream. Downstream impact. The river below flows steadily, no longer prone to the violent flash floods of the past.